This answer didn't come from ChatGPT. It came from a laptop in my closet, 12 miles from here. No cloud, no subscription, nobody reading it. In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to build it, free, on any old 8GB laptop you already own. It's time to take back your data. Let's build your own local AI. Last video, I showed you how to run local AI on an old laptop. Top comment basically, cool. But now my AI only works when I'm sitting right in front of it. That's the catch, right? A private AI chained to one desk isn't really yours. It's a museum piece. Today we cut the chain. Your phone, your tablet, your work laptop, all talking to one machine at home, from anywhere in the world, without opening a single port to the public internet. 3 pieces. Remove anyone, and the whole thing falls apart. 1. Ollama runs the model. 2. Open WebUI, the ChatGPT-style interface. 3. Tailscale, the piece that makes it reachable anywhere. Any 8GB laptop works. Let's build. If you watched my last video, stop using ChatGPT. Run local AI on any old laptop. No GPU required. You already have Ollama. If not, the link to that full setup is in the description. 1-minute install. Confirm it runs in the terminal, then move on. Ollama stays alive in the background. Exactly what we want. A terminal is not a real interface. Open WebUI fixes that. It looks and feels almost identical to ChatGPT. Install Docker Desktop from docker.com. It's free. Launch it and wait for the whale icon to turn green. Then one command. Pause the video. Copy it, paste it, unpause. We're going to keep moving. Give it about a minute. Now, here's the Docker command to install Open WebUI for Ollama. I will press enter and wait for it to finish installing. Boom! This is the Open WebUI container. Open it in your browser by typing localhost 3001. Create an admin account. First account is automatically admin. Pick your model from the top left drop-down, ask it something. That's your personal ChatGPT, local, free. But it still only works on this one laptop. Last piece fixes that. How do we reach this laptop from anywhere without opening ports to the public internet? The solution is Tailscale. Tailscale is a free private network that connects your devices like they're on the same Wi-Fi. Even when they're on different continents, nothing exposed, best security to effort ratio out there. Here are the steps to set up Tailscale. Step 1. Go to tailscale.com and sign up for a free account. You can use Google, Microsoft, or email login. Step 2. Download Tailscale on your laptop. Install it and open the app. Then sign in using the same account you just created. Step 3. Once logged in, Tailscale will automatically connect your laptop to your private network. Step 4. Now download Tailscale on your phone from the App Store or Play Store. Open it and log in using the same account. Step 5. After logging in, both your laptop and phone will appear in your Tailscale network. Step 6. On your laptop, find its Tailscale IP address. It usually starts with 100. Step 7. On your phone, open a browser and type that IP address to connect. Look at this, full ChatGPT-style interface on my phone, talking to a model running on the laptop at home, mobile data, boom, hotel Wi-Fi, boom, airplane Wi-Fi. Anywhere your phone has internet and Tailscale is on, it just works. Alright, let me show you why this is bigger than a tech flex. Meet Sarah. She runs a 4-person marketing consultancy. Until today, every person on her team paid $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus. That's $80 a month, close to $1,000 a year, and all day, every day, the team was pasting client strategy docs, signed NDAs, and campaign drafts into someone else's cloud. 2 problems. The money, that's the smaller one. The bigger one is the question she can't answer when a client asks it, has any of our material ended up in somebody else's AI? Now, here's what a single afternoon of building this changes. Tuesday afternoon, Sarah just wrapped a client meeting. She opens her AI hub at her Tailscale IP and types draft a follow-up. Client wants a LinkedIn strategy rework. Budget around 8K a month. Deadline, end of Q2. My usual tone, direct. No fluff. 30 seconds. Solid draft. She tweaks 2 sentences, sends it. The client's name, budget, and timeline. Never touched OpenAI. From her phone, through Tailscale, to her laptop at home, and back. Done. Friday. Her team's on it. Tailscale dashboard, invite user, done. 4 employees, same AI hub, any device. Open WebUI gives each person their own login, so their chat histories stay private from each other. Now, the month 1 math, 4 times ChatGPT plus, $80, down to 0. 4 times Grammarly Business, $60, down to 0. Private AI vendor line item, not delivered before, now 0, and fully in place, annualized, about $1,680 a year, down to 0, about $1,700 a year, back in her pocket, on a laptop that was collecting dust. 3 months later, a prospect in regulated healthcare asks the question, where does our data go? Sarah's answer, our AI runs on hardware we own, on a network we control. Nothing client-related has ever left our infrastructure. That sentence closes contracts in legal, healthcare, therapy, and finance. It's not a pitch, it's a receipt. You either have the setup or you don't. Solo therapists, accountants in tax season, real estate agents on the road, freelance devs reviewing code they can't legally upload anywhere. Same pattern, same solution. What have you actually built? 4 things simultaneously. Your prompts, never leave your tailnet. Not to OpenAI, not to Google, not readably to your ISP. No cloud account, holding your chat history. Safe, even on sketchy public Wi-Fi. Tailscale is end-to-end encrypted and 0 monthly fees, forever. Next video, I'm making this AI read your own files, PDFs, notes, documents, and actually use them when it answers, using a technology called RAG. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment. Tell me the one thing you'd want this to read or help you with. The best use case I see, I'll build it next. All the tools are linked in the description. See you in the next one.